Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Our today's recipe is very healthy as well as it tastes very good. Today we are going to make chicken eggs and noodle soup for cough, cold and flu. It's a very healthy soup for people suffering from cold and flu. Even your kids will like its flavor because of the noodles in it. Don't give noodles alone to your kids. Make a soup like this and it will be much more healthier and tastier. First of all, we need a saucepan and add 1.5 liter of water in it. Now add chicken as per your taste or your requirement. Adding soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Now add chili sauce 1 tablespoon. White synthetic vinegar 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 tablespoon and as per your taste. Black pepper half tablespoon. Switch on the flame to high level and bring it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, boil 2 eggs. We need 2 hard-boiled eggs for this healthy stock. Now add ginger, garlic and green chili paste 1 tablespoon. Here I am using frozen. Now bring it to boil for a few more minutes. When you can see the chicken is almost done, remove the chicken pieces from the stock one by one. Now start shredding chicken pieces like this. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Now after shredding this chicken, now add the shredded chicken pieces back in the stock. Adding 2 hard-boiled eggs. Now here I am taking 2 minutes noodles. So break it and put it in stock. Now add its taste maker. Here I am using hot and spicy flavor of this noodles. Now bring it to boil until noodles are done. Now at this point add an egg whisked. And that's all. So our very healthy soup for cold and flu is ready to be served hot. Your child will never say no to this yummy and delicious soup. Do give it a try and give me thumbs up too. Let's taste it for you people. Looks so yummy, it's so delicious. Thanks for watching.